Aruna Shanbag's assailant, Sohan Lal Bharta Valmiki, has been traced to Parpa village of Hapur district near Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh. "I did not rape Aruna. I don't remember anything from that day," he told the Marathi daily Sakal, whose correspondent found him staying with his family in the UP village, which is around 75 kilometers from Delhi. Shanbag died on May 18, 42 years after being in a vegetative state caused by the brutal sexual assault by Valmiki, then a ward boy with KEM Hospital in Parel. Valmiki was not charged with rape or sexual assault, but with attempted murder and robbery, and after a 7-year jail term, walked a free man in 1980. Reports emerging after Aruna's death indicated he may have shifted to Delhi after his jail term was over, and some reports had said he may have died in 2011. Mumbai police on Friday said they would seek legal opinion on filing a murder case against him. But Valmiki, now around 70 years old, said he had never shifted to Delhi and claimed that he has been working for more than a decade as a daily wage labourer with a contractor at a power plant 30 kilometers away from his home. "I cycle 30 kilometers to work every morning," he was quoted as saying. He lives not in his own home, but that of his in-laws with his wife Bimla, 2 sons Krishna and Ravindra, and 2 daughters. He has a grandson too. He claimed that he earns only rupees 4,000 a month and has to spend rupees 5,000 every 6 months for treating an eye ailment. He also has blood pressure issues. He said he had heard the news of Shanbag's death from a relative in New Delhi. Prima facie, it seems this old case may not attract any fresh sections as Aruna died of pneumonia. Mumbai Joint Commissioner of Police Deven Bharti told PTI. But he said that the police would seek legal opinion first and then decide their course of action. Hapur District Magistrate Ajay Yadav told TOI he would intervene if Mumbai police sought help. It is yet to be established what the status of the case is. If Mumbai police contacts the district administration, we will extend our help, Yadav said.